In this video, we are going to see how GLS Italy Shipping Integration will works. So we discuss three things in this video. First is some information about shipping integration. Second is configuration part, and third is integration part. So first of all, we start with some information. So GLS Italy Shipping Integration offers reliable shipping solutions. With the help of this shipping integration, you can perform various operations like get live shipping rate, generate shipping labels with track your ship with tracking reference number, and you can also track your shipment. You can also cancel your shipment, so you don't need to go to GLS Italy dashboard to perform these operations. But rather than that, you can use Odoo to perform these all operations, right? So these all are the some information about GLS Italy shipping integration. So now we move ahead to our configuration part. So in configuration, there are two things. One is company level configuration, and second is shipping method level configuration. So first of all, we start with company level configuration. So I will open settings in that user and companies menu and companies. So whenever you're selecting or opening your company, you will find this tab over here, GLS Italy configuration. So in that you have to select this checkbox. Whenever you select in this checkbox, these all details are visible. So you have to enter GLS Italy seed, GLS Italy customer number, password, contract code, and API URL. So these all details you will get from your shipping provider, right? So you need to enter these all details here, and this is the one time configuration, so you don't need to change everything every time. Okay, so now we move on to second part of configuration, which is shipping integration, sorry, shipping methods. So we open sales menu. In that configuration and shipping methods, we have to create one shipping method related to GLS Italy. So we already created one record, so I'm opening this record. So in your record, you have to select GLS Italy as a provider. So whenever you select GLS Italy as a provider, you will find this configuration tab over here. So in that you have to set your details based on your requirement. So this is GLS Italy detail regarding this. So you have to select your as per your choice, as per your requirement. After that, GLS Italy port type, right? After the shipping type, these two. After that, package type. So when you use multi-pack functionality, multi-package, then these functionalities working that I will show you later, right? So these all are the details you need to fill up in the shipping method, right? So now we, and one more thing, you need to select company, in which company you set all the details regarding credentials and configuration, right? So now we move ahead to integration part. So in that we will create new record of sale order. So we selecting customer first. After that, we add some product, right? So after that, we need to select shipping method. So from sale order, if you want to add shipping method, then you have to click on this button, add shipping. So when you click on this button, this pop-up will arise. So in that you have to select shipping method. So in drop down you will find all the options available of shipping method. So we select GLS Italy as a shipping method, and this GLS Italy is providing live shipping rate. So when you click on this get rate, Odoo, we can say that export the details regarding products, quantity, price, and etc. So in return, GLS Italy will provide rate which is based on the calculation, right? So before that, we will add more quantity into this, and for example, price set to 100. So these are the total, and now we add shipping and GLS Italy and click on get rate. So we will get the rate based on the products configuration, right? So now we get the rate, and now we add, right? So shipping method is added in the sale order. So now we confirm the order and go to delivery order. So in that, in additional info, we can see that GLS Italy is get selected, right? So now at the time of validation, we will export the order. But before that, uh, GLS Italy is providing multi-package functionality. So I will explain you first. So if your requirement is like, for example, there are multiple quantity or multiple products order are there, so it's not possible to parcel in single package or single box, then you have to parcel into multiple box. So for that, you have to handle this thing in Odoo also. So with the help of this button put in pack, you can perform these operations. But if you can't find this button over here, then you have to enable some configurations. So I will show you first. So you have to go to configuration settings. So in settings menu, in inventory section, you will find these packages option here. So you have to enable this option, and when you enable this option, you have to just save the settings, and after that you will find this button over here, right? So that is the thing. And one more thing, when you click on this button, I will show you that before click on this button, you have to set some quantity which you need to parcel in a first box or first parcel, first package. So for example, we divide five quantity into three parcel. So one, two, or two, right? So first of all, we start with one. Click on put in pack. So this delivery packet type option is available. So in that, you have to select your package. So how these packages available here? So for that, I will show you another configuration. So you have to go to inventory menu. In that configuration, there is a packet types option. So in packet types, whatever the packages you created, in those package, you have to select GLS Italy as a carrier. So in those records in which you selected GLS Italy as a carrier, those records are available here. Otherwise, you can also create new record from here. So for example, test, or there is option of create. So you can also create from here also. But if you want to use default package, then you have to click on you have to select carrier as a GLS Italy in packet types, right? Okay, so we added one quantity in one package. So now we select our package and save. So you can see that in first package, that is pack 006, that one quantity is reserved and done. So now we add two quantity and click on put in pack, and now we selecting again another package, save. So another package contains two quantity. Now rest of the quantities we added and click on put in pack again and selecting package and save, right? So these all quantity now fulfills, and three packages we created, 6, 7, 8. So here is the smart button of packages, so you can see, or you can check the packages from here also. Okay, so now we validate our delivery order, and at the time of validate delivery order, we export order from Odoo to GLS Italy. So with that, we pass information regarding customers detail, all the details, product price, product weight, and etc. And in return of, GLS Italy will provide us tracking reference number and label. So as of now, we created multi parcel, so we will get multi labels. Okay, so now we validate the order. It will take some time to process. Yes, so it will get created. So you can see that we get tracking reference number and three labels because we created three packages. So the multi-package functionality we used. So we open one by one label. This is first label, this is our second label, and this is our third label. Right. So like this we get labels and tracking reference number. Right. And another functionality is regarding tracking. So if you want to track your package from Odoo, then you have to click on this button. So you will redirect to GLS Italy tracking page. Then you have to enter your package number and you will get your details. Right. So now there are one more functionality that which is close workday. So in GLS Italy, shipping provider asking for close workday feature. So we will handle this thing also. So right now you can see that close workday checkbox is disabled. So this order is not applies for close workday. So for that we will see our delivery order number is WH out 00050. So for that we given functionality in the delivery order list view. So for that you have to go to inventory menu. In that you have to open delivery orders. So in delivery orders, in filter we given one option that process workday. So when you click on this process workday option, you will find those records which are available or which are, we can say that, already uh, validation done, already label get and tracking reference number get. Right. So which fulfills all the requirements for close workday, those records are available here. So now we click on this button. So you can see that two records now available which are already ready for close workday. So these are our records 00050 which is already come. So we will select this record from here, and in action menu there is one more button which is close workday. So when you click on this button, this process is done. So now we click on this button, close workday. So you can see that this record is gone from here because it's already processed. So now we go back to our delivery order and just refresh the page, go to additional info. So you can see that close work days automatically enable. So it means that these orders is processed for close work day. And the last functionality is cancel. If you want to cancel your order into GLS Italy, then you have to click on this button and just need to click on OK. So this order is now cancelled. You can see the message here, shipment number is cancelled. Right. So we will seen all the functionalities of GLS Italy, which is live rate, multi package functionality, label, tracking, close workday, and cancel. So these all are the details about GLS Italy shipping integration. Thank you.